Today we are talking about cookie consent and GDPR compliance, something every website owner needs to take seriously. If your website collects visitor data through analytics, ads, or even simple cookies, you need to follow regulations like GDPR, CCPA, and others. That's where Cookiebot by Usercentrics comes in. In this video, we will walk you through what Cookiebot is, its key features, how easy it is to set up, its pricing, and pros and cons, so you can decide if this plugin is the right choice for your website. First up, what is Cookiebot? Cookiebot is a consent management platform designed to make your website compliant with privacy laws around the world. It automatically detects and manages cookies on your site, shows visitors a customizable consent banner, and gives them control over what cookies they allow. It's developed by Usercentrics, a leading company in consent and privacy solutions, which means it's backed by years of expertise in compliance. Now let's talk about the key features, and we'll start with the automatic cookie scanning and declaration. One of Cookiebot's standout features is its automatic scanning. Once connected, it scans your entire website and identifies all the cookies and trackers running. These are then grouped into categories like necessary, statistics, marketing, and preferences. The plugin even generates a cookie declaration that you can display for full transparency, so your visitors know exactly what data is being collected. Consent banner and customization. Cookiebot gives you several banner styles to choose from, and you can customize the colors, text, and position to match your website's branding. It also supports multiple languages, which is super helpful for international websites. While customization is not as flexible as designing your own banner from scratch, it still covers most needs and compliance and regulations. Another major strength is global compliance. Cookiebot is designed to handle not only GDPR in Europe, but also CCPA in California, LGPD in Brazil, and other regional privacy laws. This makes it a future-proof choice if your audience is spread across different countries. User control and preferences. Cookiebot gives your visitors full control. Instead of just showing an accept all button, users can accept, reject, or customize what cookies they want to allow. Importantly, it blocks cookies automatically until consent is given, which is a key requirement. That means your website isn't accidentally setting marketing or tracking cookies before a visitor gives permission. Integration and compatibility. Lastly, Cookiebot is very versatile. It works seamlessly with WordPress, but also integrates with other CMSs if you're running multiple sites. It also plays nicely with tools like Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, and advertising platforms. So whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a business website, integration won't be a headache. Setup and ease of use. Now let's talk about setup. Installing Cookiebot in WordPress is pretty straightforward. You install the plugin, connect it to your Cookiebot account by entering your ID, and within a few minutes, the consent banner is live. The dashboard itself is clean and easy to understand. Even if you're not a developer, most of the heavy lifting is automated. Thanks to the cookie scanning and blocking features. You'll need to tweak a few things to match your site's style, but overall it's beginner friendly and doesn't require any coding knowledge. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Like any tool, Cookiebot has its strengths and weaknesses. On the positive side, it offers compliance with major privacy laws. The cookie scanning keeps everything up to date, and the consent banner is customizable and supports multiple languages. The integrations are smooth with popular platforms. On the downside, the free plan has some limitations, especially if your site has high traffic. The banner customization options are decent, but not endless. And depending on your setup, it could add a little bit of load time to your site, though usually not significant. Overall, the pros far outweigh the cons if compliance and trust are important for your site. Now let's take a look at the pricing of Cookiebot. Although the free version gives you a 14-day trial, you still have to purchase a license in order to get all the features and benefits of Cookiebot. Now, if we take a look over here, we can see that there are 4 plans: the Essential, Plus, Pro, and Business. The Essential plan costs $8 per month, and it gives you up to 1,500 sessions. This gives you 1 domain, 1 privacy regulation, 2 banner languages, and unlimited subpages, unlimited users. You get all the core features plus the basic banner customization and consent activity insights. The Plus plan is $16 per month. It gives you up to 3,000 sessions. Now, this gives you 1 domain, unlimited privacy regulations, 5 banner languages, unlimited subpages, and unlimited users. This gives you all features in the Essential, plus you get the advanced banner styling, banner interaction insights, geolocation rules. The Pro plan is available for $34 per month, and this gives you up to 15,000 sessions. Now you can connect 3 domains, you can have unlimited privacy regulations, 60 banner languages, unlimited subpages, unlimited users, plus you get everything in the Plus plan, and you get brand integration, detailed interaction analytics, cross-domain content sharing, privacy policy embeddings, and IAB-TCF version 2.2 support. Finally, there's the business plan, which costs $56 per month. Here, it gives you up to 50,000 sessions, although there is a slider over here so you can choose how many sessions you need. Now, this gives you 10 domains, unlimited privacy regulations, 60 banner languages, unlimited subpages and users. You get everything in Pro plus full brand customization. Now, this also gives you the custom CSS for consent banners. So if you have any design requirements, you can apply it through CSS. You also get consent banner custom text and auto translation, comparative interaction analytics, and premium SLA. So these were the pricing of Cookiebot. Now for the final verdict. So is Cookiebot worth it? In my opinion, absolutely. If you're a small blogger, an e-commerce store owner, or an agency managing client websites, Cookiebot makes compliance simple and it builds with your visitors by giving them control. If peace of mind and professionalism are priorities for you, Cookiebot is definitely a plugin worth considering. So that brings us to the end of this video. We hope that it was helpful and informative for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos such as this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.